45 years of designing airguns, everything we have discovered has led to this. Get ready to reload. The Umarex Gauntlet. From day one, you've asked for an airgun like this. A versatile pre-charged pneumatic air rifle that performs both live in the field and on the target range. A bolt-action machine with a 10-round magazine that's as at home in a competitor's hands as it is in the tools of the hunter. A regulated gun that's engineered to perform shot after consistent shot on just one fill of its tank. A gun that's virtually silent enough for you to pick off prey without disturbing nature. A multi-shot repeating rifle that places pellets one on top of the other. We created this air rifle for folks devoted to the love of consistency and dependability. You get it all for under $300. A new chapter begins. It seems our competition is shaking in their boots.